step into the Dodge 2020 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth performance seats, quick order package 29 and included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, RT badge trailer sway damping, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT, STD, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches satin carbon aluminum, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.